Hi, we are here with Erik Larsen. He's from Daqo. And Erik, tell us about the company. But first, let us start with why are you participating in Expo Eléctrica in Mexico and why it is important for the company to be here?
Daqo and a representative of Daqo in the Americas. We're actually really proud to be here and represent and help grow here in Mexico. We're very excited and excited to be working with the community, the local group here. In Mexico, there's just a lot of growth happening from the industrial projects that are happening, the solar, renewable energy projects that are happening, data center growth, and then just renewing and modernizing the entire infrastructure here in Mexico. We know that there is just so much growth and so much opportunity in the electrical and distributed power industry. And so, again, we're just proud and excited to be here and be a part of the community.
How is Mexico becoming important for Daqo? What kind of things do you foresee that are going to happen in the Mexican market since the world is changing a lot? Why is it becoming an important market for you?
Yeah, Mexico we see with Daqo as being a hub for the Americas and potentially for the world. And so it's a great place, a great platform for Daqo really to build our local energy and synergies for the entire Americas. Again, Mexico just has a lot of growth and a lot of stabilization that is happening in the energy industry. And so we see that Mexico we can grow with factories growth, stabilizing the electric grid, modernizing the systems. We see a lot of opportunity. So with Daqo, with Latin America, again, our hub, we decided to grow here in Mexico and actually have our office, our teams, our support group, a lot will be based here in Mexico. And then we have our team in South America, where we have Brazil, a high focus in Chile, Colombia. We have a lot of projects happening. And then the United States we see is a huge growth prospect as well. And again, Mexico is a great hub for us to be working out of.
Please tell us about how is the company helping and supporting the region in this digital transition and industrial growth.
Yeah, so right now a lot of companies in Mexico, they're not looking just at the product. They're looking at how fast can they actually get the product? Are they going to be supported? Are we going to be there after the sale actually happens? And so that's where Daqo, we're able to come in and actually fully support the entire life cycle. We can help with engineering, we can help designs, we can help everything. And so we're seeing that transition here in Mexico where it's not just what is the product and what is the price? Everyone is asking, how fast can I get it? Days matter right now with data centers and infrastructures, and with such a high demand throughout the Americas, we see that as being some of the most important points that we're seeing a lot here.
How are the needs of the customers evolving? Not only the region, not only in Mexico, I think like worldwide, but what do you see especially in this region?
Is just we do see definitely that the needs are evolving. What is needed for the product, how much product, right? We are just seeing an increase in electrical demand, right? We're seeing more electrical vehicles, we're seeing more computerization, more data centers, more artificial intelligence build out, more industrial parks being built here in Mexico. And so we know, again, that the timelines is becoming a huge factor. And so that's definitely somewhere where we can come in and work direct with the manufacturer to be able to, down to the components, we can speed up the process and be there along the way. And then by building the local support group that is here in Mexico, we are able to be supportive along the whole process even after.
What solutions is Daqo highlighting for the Mexican market?
Okay, some of the solutions that we're highlighting for the market, I mean, one of them is right here, containerized substation. We also have data center power module set up where it actually it can arrive on site. And so not only can they get the product quicker, but the actual installation, the actual RMU units, the transformers, the entire switchgear unit is all containerized. And so installation and getting the product and getting it mobilized and getting it energized quicker is definitely possible with a lot of the solutions that we have.
Finally, this is a competitive market, right? It is not easy just to place like every solution that you have. In that sense, what would you say that helps Daqo to stand out in this market?
Yeah, so Daqo, we definitely stand out. We have over 60 years experience. We started in 1965 as a global manufacturer. We are in over 80 countries throughout the world. We have over 17,000 employees. We have the stabilization. We have been a manufacturer for global markets for over 60 years is one of the big points. And so we have 4 pillars that we really focus on. First is just the highest quality product. We want to make sure that the product is going to last as long as possible, that everyone will have a great experience, right? Secondly, our fast lead times. We're able to get the product faster than the average market, competitor. Our third is just reliable and quick response time. So if anyone has issues, you're not waiting to get energized. People are relying on this power and electricity. And the last is really just end-to-end support. So even after the sale, after installation, we are there, we're supporting. We are seeing this as a long-term play. We aren't looking to just do one project. We are actually here for the long term.
By any chance, would you think that in the near future there will be any chances to have a building factory here in Mexico?
We are already working and talking with some factories here to help support with some assembly of product, but eventually, yes, to be able to actually do that here, to have North America compliance. Also for the United States, Mexico we see as a great partner to be able to have factories and grow here.
And just to sum up a little bit, Mexico will be the door for Latin America, right?
Correct.
Thank you very much, Erik.